You know what? In just 6 months, I totally improve my English. How? In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can also improve English language. Because what type of mistake that I did when I started my English journey, what type of practice that I made, and still I'm doing this. But one thing, one step, or we can say one technique I followed when I started doing this, but still I'm working on it, and it's helped me a lot. So these thing in this video I'm gonna tell you. So today is our day 10th of 30 day of speaking English challenge. Stay with me and one technique that can change your English. So stay with me and let's jump on today's topic. So one thing that's really helped me to improve my English as a beginner level into at least intermediate level. So what type of thing that really helped me? Let me tell you. You've heard about this technique before because a lot of beginners or lot of English learners they know already this technique. You already heard about listening practice, listen this, listen that, that can change your English. But let me tell you one thing: if you listen this any podcast, any sort of videos about English, but the next thing is that means you have to listen this thing, along with that you have to practice. That means what I'm trying to say here, you have to listen any kind of thing and try to speak as the same thing. At the same time you have to speak this same type of structure. Like, if now I'm watching something different, okay, so at that video, one person who is telling something different, like that, related our English journey, related our success, failure, like that. So you have to listen carefully and speak like simultaneously. You don't need just a heard and forget this thing. I'm not trying to say actually you have to remember all of things and then you speak. No, you have to listen first, at least one or two sentence, or try to do the same thing after stop post this video and start to speak with yourself only and try to practice like that. That technique is really helped me a lot, because when you watch something else different, podcast, different videos, at that time you just remember that, and I tried, and we will try to practice after this video. But sometimes we forget this vocabulary, or we cannot remember all of things, all of sentence structure, as well as side by side we cannot remember the all of we can say sentences or vocabularies, or what type of thing that they already told their video, right? So at that same thing you have to understand actually, and then you have to speak, post this and then speak. That activity is really help a lot. And the next thing is, we have to understand this thing. And the next thing is, which is, let's jump on my mistakes. What type of mistake did I that means I did, and what type of things that I faced, or what type of problem that I overcome when I started this journey, and what type of thing that you have to stop actually. Because if you are beginner or if you are intermediate level, what type of thing that you have to stop right now if you are learning this language? Number one is procrastination. Stop procrastinating. I'll start from tomorrow, I'll start in the next day. But let me tell you one thing, right time will never come. If you're really interested to learn about this language, if you're really passionate about this language, so you have to start today. I had, I did this mistake actually when I started this learning English journey. But after a couple of days, I remember, I understand actually, no, I have to start today. The number second is, stop thinking like I'm making mistake and how I improve my English language, because I'm really passionate about this, but I'm making mistake. So how I can improve? Because not atmosphere, not the surrounding, my background is not like that. So how I can improve? At the same time, I thought, but you don't need a lot of you know sources, or you don't need atmosphere actually. If you are interested, if you are really genuinely, if you want to learn this language, so you don't need surrounding or background actually. I am from a normal background, like my mother tongue is different, so at the same time I grow up at this level. So that's why stop thinking like that. The third thing is start reading every single day. Okay, because some people they think reading is not necessarily reading is not mandatory thing for English language, but I would say reading is very helpful. When you read something every single day, at least one paras, one or two page, at least maximum one or two chapter, so you can grab a lot of knowledge, vocabulary as well sentence structure, so you can grab this thing and start writing something. Because if you write something in English, then you understand actually the spelling, pronunciation, as well as some knowledge of vocabulary, so you can grab this. The number third is, uh, I already told in previous video, actually the 70% of your speaking and 30% of your practice in English, that is helpful. So you have to speak as much as possible. At least 70% of your speaking is depend on improve how you improve your English, how you can improve your English. Okay, so you have to speak over and over every single day. Okay, and the final thing is that I made, that means the mistake that I made, uh, I had made actually. That means uh, I don't believe myself actually at that time. But let me tell you one thing: if you are believing yourself, everything is possible. Okay, so trust yourself. Try to improve any kind of thing that you want. Okay, so add the same thing that you want to do, improve English language. So stay with me, 30 of speaking English challenge. Today is our day 10th, and don't forget, like, share and subscribe for and day 11th. Okay, so as you know, we already completed as day 9th hour, and in that video I covered a lot of things, like how you can improve your English. If you really want to improve English, so watch that type of content and stay with me. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.